Welcome to Animal Sciences. Sparrow. Sparrow, any of the number of small, thief seeds-eating bird have national bill. The name sparrow is most familiarity attached to bird of the Old World family civilizations, practically to the horse sparrow that is the commons in temperate North Africa and Arabs, but also many New World members of the Arab Basin. Most number of the New World family emulsions of called sparrow explanations breeding in North America are the chippening sparrow and the tree sparrow. Trem's look lately bird will repetitions brew back. Example both in North Africa are the chipping sparrows and the tree sparrows. Trims look lately bird will repetitions brown chips. The Senegal sparrows and the Vespers sparrows finally strong to bird of the grassy fields. The song sparrows of the song sparrows and the folk sparrows heavily heavily strategic shocked in woodland and the wells coverings sparrows and the theoretical sparrows laggards specs will black and will crown step the fourth class sparrows has any explanations will has any explanation we did we began its bonds of the Mako and covering the Iceland to three leads goals to the many immunizations sparrows are nationally to country and South Africa see also considerations. Well, sparrow is a beautiful bird.